Alright, YouTube. So, if you're watching this video, this is probably a familiar sight to you. These dolls, although they're kind of pricey, if you bend these legs the wrong way, they snap right off. So, Abby Abominable here is actually the second victim of my daughter. So I repaired it the first time, and I'm going to use a slightly different technique. What I did here was I soaked this all down with hot glue and then wrapped the hot glue with string and tied it off. As you can see, it's coming apart. So this one might get redone if it gives out altogether. This is Abby Abominable. Saw in somebody's video that they used a piece of clear tubing. So I'm gonna use some clear tubing and slip it on the leg like this. I won't force it on there really well. Then, if my glue gun's hot enough, which it's not hot enough yet, I'm gonna put a bunch of hot glue inside of there, right there, and then jam the leg in. And that'll keep this whole thing together. And the clear tubing should look a little better than the rainbow string that I used last time. So, guess we'll see what the critic thinks when I'm done. Let's see if this gun's hot enough to pump some glue yet. Oh yeah, we got lots of that molten goo inside of there. Pretty sure you can see that pretty well. It's molten hot. It'll burn the hell out of you. So be careful. And just jam this in there. Oh yeah, it's working pretty good. The glue is bulging a little bit. This is completely experimental. So, let's see. See, the glue heated up the tubing significantly and made it a whole lot more flexible where the hot glue actually is in it. But the glue's going to dry up and it's going to be a little more opaque than it is this minute. Overall, I think this is going to be really durable, and that Abby Abominable will live on much longer now. You want to make sure you get them on there straight. So,
Daddy.
Yeah.
It's ripping.
All right. That's it.